In this video, I will show you how to create a Docusign document for signature. So this means that you have a document that you want to be signed by someone else, and here's how you can send that document to them so that they can actually sign it. So to do this, first open up the Docusign website, then come into the home page right here. Then here you need to drop your documents to get started. So I'm going to drop in this document right here. So drop your files here. Then I will enter this one, the resume. Then click open. Then you can also add more files if they need to sign more files. Now here under the add recipient section, here you can actually add the person that needs to sign the document. So enter their name and their email. Make sure this says needs to sign. Then you can add the message, so the email subject, for example. Then you can also actually write a message that is in the email itself. You can also click on add recipient if you want to add more than one recipient, so if more people need to sign the document. So then after adding in your recipients and your message, you want to click on next right here. Now here you can see the document that you have added in. So when you scroll down a bit in this document, you can see right here there needs to be a signature. So to let this know to the person that needs to sign it, then here you can see the standard fields. Then you can enter the signature right here. So let's make it a bit bigger. And for example, if you also want an initial or a stamp or a date signed, you can also add this, for example, below it right here. Then you can add anything you want right here. So they have a few different fields that you can add in, and then you can preview it if you want. So this is the email that they will be getting, and then they can sign it right here, and then it will be signed, as you can see. So let's go back, and now to send it, click on next, and then click on send. Now as you can see, you have sent your envelope. So now click on manage right here. Then here you can see the envelope that we have just sent. So when the person has signed it, you will be able to see that right here. And then you can go ahead and review it, see if everything's alright, and then it is done. So that's how to send and create a Docusign document for signature. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. And with that being said, I will see you in the next video.